Hi, my name is Jay, and you're listening to Cube FM. So,
On the subject of availability, our guest Martin suggested avoiding pod topology spread constraints, as this is a Kubernetes feature that is simple to understand but has problematic consequences if not understood correctly. Do you have similar experience? Sorry, do you have similar examples of something in Kubernetes that looked easy but was an absolute nightmare?
autoscalers can be deceptively easy, and some of them are relatively easy, but sometimes people will just set a number of being their top, like, oh, well, maximum number of 100, or and they don't even bother to set their metrics, or they just have a general like CPU metric that they'll send and be like, yeah, this sounds good. They've never battle tested it. They don't even know how their application will actually work on the Kubernetes before they start setting auto scaling metrics. And then all of a sudden, things just like I've seen a lot of clusters that will scale up when there was plenty of headroom available in the pods or on the nodes, but because they misconfigured some of their autoscaler features, it just scaled up. But they just kind of plugged and chugged some numbers saying, yeah, this sounds about right. And it went ahead and just scaled higher than they thought it would. And all of a sudden they're like, why do we have this major bill or this massive bill going on? So that is one of the things I want to recommend customers do before they start setting up scalers and kind of setting some parameters to it, which you should be setting parameters to. Know what those parameters are like. You're not going to get it right the first time. That's just how it works. Unless you're very lucky, it's going to take some testing, but that's what I recommend for my customers and for anybody using Kubernetes realistically at scale.